We start our journey as part of our ministerial duties to the people of the Mangyan tribe here in Mayabig, Baco Oriental, Mindoro. With us is our SMPCI General Mission Overseer, Reverend Danilo Flores, with his wife, the newly ordained minister, Pastor Bernadette Tobera Flores. With us also Reverend Walfredo Castelio and Reverend Johnny Pamandico from the Blessed Church in Tabon-Tabon, Baco Oriental, Mindoro. With us also some of the men of the Mangyan tribe, which guide us to reach the place. This is the place where our HMPC was founded, in the Mount area of Mount Halcon, Oriental, Mindoro. We are so blessed for this journey, this April 24, 2024. And tomorrow, the final day of our HMPCI recognition and partnership conference to be held at the place with Reverend Robert Parr and the newly ordained Reverend Angel Parr of the Mercy Link Philippines. So we are glad to walk along this road, a high peak area, and the place where Pastor Reverend Armando Beda, the Mangyan pastors of this church. So this is the place, and we enjoy in walking even we are in old age. So I thank our God, the Heavenly Father, and Jesus Christ, because Pastor Mira, who were recovering her mild stroke last December 9. We have also the newly ordained minister, Pastor Daniel Arisga, just also today. So our brethren, our friends, our prayer warriors, thank you so much for your prayers, because we are here today. Our one of the most vital, what we call awful ministerial duties, to walk beyond the peak area in this place. So thank you so much for liking this feeds. May your blessing and may the blessing of God will be poured out while you are viewing this video. Thank you so much. Your HMPCI mentor, Reverend Pastor Jean M. Pagtalunan.